Hey guys, my name is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just received my Maddog Delta. I had ordered them on the 13th and I received them on the 17th, that is today. And to start things off with the specifications, these cost 7,750 a pair, and these are around 6,400 lumens, and their life is around 50,000 hours. And the distance that is being claimed by Maddog is 250 meters, and this is a spot come flood beam combo, and the spot is 70% and 30% is the flood beam. Also, they provide you the 18 months of warranty on these, and these use the Nishia LEDs, which are Japanese made LEDs. So I'm gonna show you them. So this is how they come now. So I had the Scout X earlier, so I think these are way brighter than them. So this is what comes in the box. This is a box which contains there's a keychain, there's a warranty card, and then there must be screws. Yeah. So this is what comes in the small box. I'm gonna keep them aside. You get two stickers. One is the Maddog sticker and one is the Delta sticker. Right. So let's dig in more. What else? So now you have here is the LEDs. Okay, so it comes with two brackets. So let's pull this out first. Oh wow, this looks heavy and this looks very sturdy. Okay, now let's pull this one out. Oh wow, this is pretty heavy. Okay, so here is the Maddog Delta. This is one side, of course. Here's the Delta branding here. Here's the Maddog logo, and these are the four Nishia LEDs. Also, I think this is IP67. What that is waterproof and dustproof. Here you again get the branding, and this is your serial number. You get the Maddog branding here, and here it says made in India. So this is the connector that comes with it. All right. So here you have another LED. Same thing. Branding, the logo, and oh, there's no Delta written on the side. Okay, now what else? Okay, I see a spare connector. I think there's another one here. Okay, so these connectors are in case you want to fix them on your own wire, or if you don't want to purchase the Wire Harness Pro or the Switch Pro, then you have these. You can use your own switch and your own wire. So I'm gonna try these on my bike. I had the Scout X earlier, and I upgraded to these. So let's try them out and see what goes. So I've installed the Delta here and here, and I'll be comparing the intensity with the headlight. Alright, so this is the low beam on the Maddog. I finally installed them. This is the high beam, and now this is the Maddog. Oh man, these are so bright. Probably the camera is not doing justice to it properly, but I can see like really far off. This is the low beam, the high beam, the Maddog. This is the high beam. You can see these are very bright compared to the Scout X. So this low beam, high beam, low beam, and deltas. Oh man, totally loving them.